Hi, this is Nikki, and this video is all about inviting a family to the Foster Family website. In the video, I will walk through the two essential components required when inviting a home, and I'll walk you through the 4 detailed steps in inviting a family to the Foster Family website. So the 2 essential components required when inviting a home are the sending of the invitation and the accepting of the invitation. So your agency will send an email invitation to a home, either manually or automatically. And then second, the foster family needs to accept that invitation by following the registration process. They'll select a username and password for both or one of the parents. So before they can do any of that, your first step will be to verify the family's email address and zip code. If we select a home from my demo site, we'll just use a practice home here for our example. So let's choose Heidi and Eugene Boone. And if we place this in edit mode, we can scroll down and see if their email address and zip code are filled in. Okay, so we have a zip code and this email address. Let's go ahead and change it so I can show you through my own email account what everything looks like when I receive emails through Extended Reach for this invitation process. So we could put 2 email addresses in here. If we did that, then the 2 email addresses will be able to accept the invitation and register independently. This example, we'll just use the one. So now that we have the email address and the zip, I will save this information. And from here, our second step is to process, complete the welcome email template and other email templates that we might want. So I need to be an agency administrator to access the administration portion on the left side of my screen. Under Organization Settings, I'll click on Organization Preferences. And this is for the whole organization of my example demo, Boys Town. Under Family Web, I'll go to Emails. And if I could put this in edit mode to make changes to these email templates, but as you can see, this email template is ready to go. The 2 things I want to point out that are super important for this email template for the invitation is, first of all, this is your first contact with a family, so anything you need them to know, this is a great place to put it. The second piece of information that's really important is this activation link. This is going to be the link to the foster family website activation portal. So this needs to be in your invitation email. So this is the invitation email. The second piece I want to mention is the post-activation email. So this will automatically be generated by Extended Reach once the family has selected a password and has completed the activation process. So this looks to be all set for us. So from here, our next step is going to be to send the invitation to a family. So we'll go back to that family we selected as our demo. We chose Eugene and Heidi. If we go to Family Web within their home, under Activation tab in Family Web, we can see that they are currently inactive. This means they are not using the family website and they do not have access to do so. So if we click on Send Invitation, this will send them an invitation to it. And as you can see, Extended Reach automatically timestamps that invitation that we sent. On a side note, if you go back to those organization settings when we were in Family Web, this is something an agency administrator would need to do. But when we were setting up emails, that was over here. If you go under Access, there is an option here to check this which says Send Invitations Automatically to all these people. So that can definitely happen as well. We are going through the slow manual process right now, and oftentimes for companies or agencies, they don't want everyone to have access to the family website until they decide they want to provide that option. So I just wanted to add that little piece of information for you. Okay, I am going to show you, I'm pretending that this is that I'm Heidi and Eugene, and that I have received this email. So as you can see, this is the letter we prepared, and here's that link. So remember the activation link words that were within the brackets. This is what it looks like in an email address or an email. So as the recipient of this email, Heidi or Eugene, I will click on this, and this will take me into this portal. And from here, I need to fill in the information. So my name's Heidi. I forgot my zip, just a second. Okay, there's that zip code, 49508. So I will put that in here. I need to select a password. And then I submit. Once I hit submit, that second letter we talked about will automatically be sent to me into my inbox, into Heidi's inbox. And that was that post-activation email. So now I am automatically sent to the foster family website. And this is what it looks like at this point. Now for more details on how to customize this website as an agency administrator, please see the written portion of this video. So we've walked through the sending and receiving as the two required components to inviting a family to the foster family website. And then I've walked you through those 4 detailed steps in inviting a family to the foster family website. I hope this video has been helpful. Please do check out the written tutorial piece of this information. Sometimes this can get a little confusing with the video, but the written portion should help clarify some stuff. Thanks again. Hope you have a great day.